Instagram. It's not just a photo sharing app, it's a powerful marketing tool used by businesses of all sizes. Why, you ask? To connect with their audience, build their brand, and drive sales. This is Instagram marketing. Think of Instagram as a giant global marketplace where people come to discover new things, look for inspiration, and connect with brands they love. Your job? Grab their attention, keep them engaged, and turn them into loyal customers. This guide is your roadmap. You'll learn the strategies, understand the tactics, and you'll be ready to conquer Instagram one post at a time. Let's dive in. Instagram is all about visuals, high-quality images, and engaging videos. This is what grabs attention. This is what makes people stop scrolling. First impressions matter. Invest in good photography or learn basic photo editing skills. Use natural lighting, experiment with different angles, and find what works for your brand. Don't just post for the sake of posting. Tell a story with your content. What makes your brand unique? What are your values? Share behind-the-scenes glimpses and show the human side of your business. Consistency is key. Develop a visual aesthetic for your brand. Use the same filter or editing style and stick to a color palette. This creates a cohesive look and feel. Think about your target audience. What kind of visuals will resonate with them? What are their interests? What are their pain points? Tailor your content accordingly. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different types of content: photos, videos, stories, reels, and see what performs best. Analytics are your friend. Use them to track your progress. Hashtags are crucial. They help people find your content. Use a mix of relevant hashtags, broad and niche. Think of them as keywords for Instagram. Research popular hashtags in your industry. Use tools like hashtagify.me or check out what your competitors are using. Don't just copy-paste. Create a branded hashtag. Encourage your followers to use it. This helps build community and brand awareness. It's a simple but effective tactic. Section 5. Consistency is key. The Instagram algorithm's language. The Instagram algorithm, it can seem mysterious, but, it really rewards consistency. Make it a point to post regularly, at least once a day, more if you can manage. Create a content calendar and plan your posts in advance. This not only helps you stay organized, but also ensures you're delivering value consistently. And don't forget to use Instagram stories. They're a fantastic way to connect with your audience in a more personal way. Share behind-the-scenes content, run polls, and Q&A sessions. Section 6. Engagement fueling the Instagram community fire. Engagement is everything. It shows Instagram that your content is valuable. Make sure to like and reply to comments. Why not run contests and giveaways? Ask questions in your captions to spark conversations. And go live. Instagram Live is a powerful tool to connect with your followers in real time. Answer their questions, share your expertise, and just have fun with it. Collaborate with other accounts and cross-promote each other's content. It helps you reach a wider audience, and it's a win-win situation. Section 7. Instagram ads, amplifying your reach. Organic reach is great, but sometimes you need a boost, and that's where Instagram ads come in. They can help you reach a larger audience, target specific demographics, and drive traffic to your website. Start with a small budget, experiment with different ad formats, and see what works best for your business. Measure your results and adjust accordingly. And don't be afraid to get creative with your ads. Use eye-catching visuals, write compelling copy, and always track your conversions. Section 8. Case study, Fashion Nova, a success story. Fashion Nova, a fast fashion retailer, has truly mastered Instagram marketing. But how? By leveraging user-generated content, collaborating with influencers, and posting consistently. They encourage their customers to share photos wearing their clothes using their branded hashtag. This creates social proof and generates a ton of free marketing. Fashion Nova partners with influencers, big and small. They send them free clothes in exchange for exposure to their followers. It's a smart strategy. Section 9. Measuring success. Are you winning on Instagram? You're putting in the work, now it's time to measure your results. Track your metrics: followers, engagement, reach, website traffic. Use Instagram Insights. It's a goldmine of data. Experiment with different content formats and see what resonates with your audience. What gets the most likes? What drives the most traffic? Don't be afraid to pivot. If something's not working, try something new. Instagram marketing is all about testing and iterating. Section 10. The future of Instagram marketing. What's next? Instagram is constantly evolving. New features, new trends, new algorithms. Stay ahead of the curve, keep learning. Experiment with new tools. Video content is king. Reels are dominating. Short-form video is the future. Embrace it. Create engaging video content. Tell your brand story. Augmented reality. Shoppable posts. Interactive content. These are just a few of the exciting possibilities. The future of Instagram marketing is bright. Section 11. Conclusion: Instagram marketing, your ticket to digital domination. Instagram marketing isn't optional. It's essential. For businesses of all sizes, it's the key to building your brand, connecting with your audience, and driving sales. Follow the steps outlined in this guide. Experiment. Be creative. And most importantly, be consistent. You've got this. Now go out there and crush it on Instagram. The world is waiting to see what you've got.